Hi, I'm Donna Rosa. I'm gonna show you today how to work the cable cast on. No worries, it's not about cables, you don't need any cable needle. It's a cast on technique at the end or the beginning of a row where you cast on more stitches. When do you need that? Well, on sweaters and on tops, for example. When you have the left shoulder knitted, the right shoulder knitted, and now you want to connect those both together. For that you need here at the neckline a few stitches. With the cable cast on you do that. You can work it. Or for example, if you knit a sweater sideways, you have the sleeves and now you need some stitches along the body side and you use the cable cast on. And how does it work? I'll show you now. Now we're gonna add some stitches by cable cast on, first on this side and at the end of the row on this side. For that I insert the right needle as if to knit, wrap the yarn around and pull it through and don't leave the stitch off the needle, I'll leave it there. This loop I place now on the left needle by twisting it, so not from the top, I'll twist it. So for the next stitch I insert the needle in between the first and the second stitch and make sure I get both strands of the stitch, both legs. As if to knit, I wrap around the yarn, pull through and twist it again. And the next time make sure both legs as well. Again, I have a third and a fourth stitch. And now I work the stitches in the pattern. In my case it's stockinette, so all knit stitches. So now I'm at the end of the row and I want to add cast on stitches here on this side, and for this I need to turn the work to the wrong side and proceed as before. As if to knit, I insert the right needle, wrap around and twist the stitch to put it back again on the left needle. I insert the right needle through both legs, wrap around the yarn and put it on the left needle. Again, third stitch, and this is the fourth stitch. So now I work back the row, which means all purl stitches, so that you can see how it works. And I show you how this looks like when you cast on new stitches. The edge looks like this. Make sure it doesn't drop off the needle. And here we have it. I added more stitches. And this is how it looks like from the back. That was easy, right? If you like this tutorial, give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also follow me on Instagram. Have a nice day. Bye!